Want your cabin steward to treat you like their favorite guest, with spotless rooms, little extras, and even VIP vibes? Then stick around because I'm sharing 15 secrets stewards secretly love when you do. And number 15 might even help them get promoted. Stewards handle 15 to 20 cabins a day and they notice everything. Do these simple things and you'll get faster cleaning, better service, and maybe a few surprise perks. Ignore them, and you risk the dreaded laundry explosion rep. Let's dive in. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more cruise insider tips. One door sign GPS. Your cabin door sign is more powerful than you think. For your steward, it's basically their GPS for the corridor. When you flip it to makeup room, you're giving them a clear green light to go in and work their magic. If it says do not disturb, they know to skip it and come back later. But when guests forget to use it, the steward is forced to knock, wait, or circle back multiple times. Imagine doing that for 20 cabins every single day. It wastes precious minutes they could spend making your room extra tidy. So if you want smoother service, keep that sign updated. It's a small move that makes a huge difference. 2. Clear the floor. Here's something most cruisers don't think about: your cabin floor space. Cabin stewards are constantly maneuvering heavy carts, bulky vacuums, and armfuls of fresh linens. When the floor is covered in shoes, laundry piles, shopping bags, and half-open suitcases, they end up playing what I call human Tetris. Every single item they have to step over or move slows them down and increases the chance something gets misplaced. A clear floor, on the other hand, means they can sweep, vacuum, and reset your cabin in half the time. Plus, it shows you respect their workload. So before you head out, scoop up your belongings and leave them tucked away. It's such a simple courtesy, but stewards secretly love it. 3. The towel code. Towels on a cruise follow a very simple code, but many guests overlook it. Here's the insider trick. If you toss your towel onto the bathroom floor, that signals your steward to replace it with a fresh one. If you hang it neatly on the hook or towel bar, that means you're happy to reuse it. It might seem like a small thing, but this system keeps laundry loads under control, saves water, and gives stewards a clearer workflow. When you ignore the towel code and leave things scattered, it creates confusion and wastes time. Stick to the rule. Floor means replace, hook means reuse, and you'll keep things efficient while making your steward's life easier. 4. Be consistent with cabin timing. Here's a secret most guests never realize. Stewards love it when you stick to a routine. If you usually head to breakfast around the same time every morning, your steward can count on that slot to clean your cabin without worrying about disturbing you. Consistency helps them plan their entire shift more efficiently, especially when they're juggling 15 to 20 staterooms a day. On the flip side, if you're unpredictable, sometimes leaving early, sometimes staying late, they might have to circle back several times just to catch your cabin when it's empty. That eats up valuable time. So if possible, keep your schedule steady. It's one of the simplest ways to become their favorite guest. Already doing these? Wait until you hear what actually gets you remembered as their favorite guest. 5. Consolidate trash. One of the easiest ways to help your cabin steward, and one of the most overlooked, is how you handle your trash. Instead of leaving cups on the nightstand, wrappers on the desk, and napkins scattered across the cabin, put everything in one spot. Use the trash bin, or even better, place it all inside a single bag. When your steward walks in, they can grab it in seconds instead of playing scavenger hunt around the room. Remember, they're cleaning dozens of cabins in a tight schedule. The faster they can clear your trash, the more time they have to refresh the details in your cabin. One bin, one bag, it's a small habit that goes a long way. 6. Room service tray. Etiquette. Room service is one of the best cruise perks, but what you do with the tray afterward makes a huge difference. Leaving it in the middle of the hallway creates an obstacle course for other guests, not to mention a hazard for crew rushing with carts. Stewards also dislike having to shuffle trays out of the way when they're trying to maneuver bulky housekeeping equipment. The right move? If you're finished, place the tray neatly inside your cabin until you're ready to set it outside. And when you do, slide it flush against the wall, never in the walkway. It's considerate, it keeps corridors safe, and it makes your steward's job a whole lot smoother. 7. Don't leave food out. Here's one of the cabin steward's worst nightmares: leftover food sitting out in a cabin. Pizza crusts on the desk, fruit plates by the window, or half-finished desserts left overnight quickly attract fruit flies, cause odors, and make cleaning much harder. Remember, stewards don't just tidy up, they're also responsible for keeping cabins hygienic. When food is left exposed, it turns a simple cleanup into a deep cleaning job, eating into the time they could spend making your room spotless. The fix is simple: finish your snacks, seal leftovers, or at the very least, place them in the trash. A clean cabin isn't just nicer for you, it's a big relief for your steward. 8. Use the safe. One of the best things you can do for both yourself and your cabin steward is to actually use the safe. Cruise cabins are busy places. Stewards are in and out multiple times a day, often while you're away. By locking up your cash, jewelry, passports, or electronics, you're not just protecting your valuables, you're also protecting your steward's reputation. Nothing creates tension faster than a missing item, even if it's only misplaced. Using the safe removes any shadow of doubt and gives everyone peace of mind. It shows you respect the crew, and in return, they can focus on what they do best: keeping your cabin spotless and welcoming every single day. 9. Reuse towels. Here's a simple secret that makes a huge difference: reuse your towels whenever possible. On most cruise ships, the rule is easy: if you hang it, you're keeping it. If it's on the floor, it gets replaced. Reusing towels doesn't just save water and energy, it saves your steward valuable laundry time. Instead of hauling extra loads back and forth, they can spend those minutes polishing the mirrors, refreshing the bed, or adding those little details that make your cabin feel cared for. Plus, with hundreds of cabins on board, small choices like this multiply into a massive workload difference. So, if your towel is still fresh, hang it up. Your steward will silently thank you. Now here's where it gets personal, and where the real magic happens. 10. Personal tip, hand to hand. When it comes to cabin stewards, a personal tip isn't just about money, it's about recognition. These crew members work incredibly hard, often behind the scenes, and a hand-to-hand tip carries far more meaning than something left on the counter. It tells your steward directly, "I see you, and I appreciate what you do." Whether it's at the start of the cruise, midway, or at the end, that personal exchange creates a connection. It doesn't need to be extravagant. The gesture itself speaks volumes. More than the amount, it's the sincerity that matters. Your steward will remember that moment, and they'll remember you as a guest who genuinely valued their effort. 11. Friendly but brief chat. One of the easiest ways to stand out as a guest is with a simple smile and a quick hello. Learn your steward's name and use it. That small act alone makes the relationship warmer and more human. But here's the key: keep it friendly but brief. Remember, your steward is juggling a tight schedule with dozens of cabins to clean. They'll appreciate that you care enough to acknowledge them without slowing down their work. Think of it like this: a 30-second interaction, a kind word, or a smile in the hallway can set the tone for your entire cruise. Respect their time, but make it personal. That balance is what they secretly love. 12. Polite notes. Cabin stewards thrive on clear communication, and one of the best tools for this is a simple sticky note. Instead of chasing them down in the hallway or leaving vague requests, jot down a polite message and place it somewhere visible, like the bathroom mirror or the desk. Something as simple as "extra towels, please," or "ice refill when possible," saves them time and prevents miscommunication. It also shows that you're considerate of their schedule. Believe it or not, stewards often keep those notes as reminders throughout their shift. It's a small gesture of respect that makes their day smoother, and it ensures your needs are met without stress or confusion. 13. Thoughtful gift or offer. While tips are always appreciated, thoughtful little gifts can mean just as much. Stewards spend months at sea, far from home, and practical items are often more valuable than souvenirs. Something as simple as a pack of good pens, new socks, or favorite snacks from your hometown can brighten their day. It's not about the cost, it's about the thought. These small gestures stand out and make a real impression. Your steward will remember the effort, and in return, you'll often see an extra level of care in how they look after you. 14. Report issues through them first. If something's wrong in your cabin, maybe the air conditioning isn't cooling, the toilet is slow, or a light has gone out, your first move should always be to mention it to your steward. Too often, guests go straight to guest services, which can feel like a lack of trust. By going directly to your steward, you're showing respect and giving them a chance to resolve the issue quickly. In many cases, they know the right person to call, and problems are fixed faster. Plus, it avoids creating unnecessary pressure through the chain of command. Stewards secretly love when guests trust them first. It strengthens the relationship and makes everything run smoother. 15. The career boost, most powerful. Here's the single most powerful thing you can do for your cabin steward. Mention them by name on the post-cruise survey. These surveys aren't just paperwork. They directly influence performance reviews, bonuses, and even promotions. When you highlight a steward for exceptional service, you're helping shape their career in a very real way. Many crew members rely on these mentions to stand out among dozens of staff. So, when you take a moment to write, "Our steward Maria went above and beyond," it can lead to financial rewards and recognition that lasts long after your cruise ends. It costs you nothing, but to them, it's one of the most valuable gifts you can give. This one doesn't just thank them, it can change their career. And there you have it, 15 powerful secrets your cabin steward secretly loves you're doing. These aren't just about making their job easier, they're about creating a better experience for you too. A smoother schedule, a cleaner cabin, and those little extra touches you'll notice along the way. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these surprised you the most? Type the number in the comments below. I'll be watching to see how many of you made it all the way to the end. If you found this helpful, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe for more cruise insider tips, and share this video with your travel buddies. It helps the channel grow and keeps me bringing you the best cruise advice.